Agents think BoldTrail CRM doesn't work, and they're completely wrong. Let me tell you why. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage. I am also a CRM coach. I'm an eXp Realty sponsor who specializes in systems, automations. If you're looking to scale your real estate business, this is the channel for you. I'm going to share marketing strategies, CRM strategies to help you grow your business. Here's the thing. I want to take a moment to kind of walk you through why many people think that BoldTrail CRM doesn't work. In a moment, I'm going to show you a couple of different tricks because a lot of agents, they blame the CRM, the customer relationship management, the system, the software. They're supposed to help you move your business forward because they haven't set it up properly. And they think they need to pay somebody lots of money to get it properly set up. But really, it essentially setting it up is just updating it with their information and making it useful for you so that you're able to use it on a day-to-day basis. And I know a lot of people don't like to hear this, but I want to be upfront and tell you what you might not want to hear is you might not have the right follow-up system in place and not have the systems that is already readily available to you up to date for conversion. And I'm going to tell you why. Here, I have another screen going. So I'm going to quickly kind of walk you through a couple of things that may not be active for you, activated, so that you are able to take advantage of what is available within the system itself. Because, let me get there you go, so that you're able to look at the BoldTrail CRM. Here's the thing. CRM is not magic. We all know this. You have to do some sort of a consistent action while you're in it. I know a lot of people don't like to hear that. They think the CRM, they're paying a lot of money to it. They think that the system is going to do a lot of work for them. And trust me, it can. And BoldTrail is an all-in-one platform. It is immensely powerful. But if you only know how to use it and set it up properly and leverage it, if you simply just go to marketing, look at the amount of tools and features that are available for you that you can take advantage of, from literally helping you market and manage your own listings, and to helping you not allow your pipeline, allowing you to grow your pipeline, but allowing you to close more deals, smart campaigns. Why I cannot believe the amount of agents that I've helped with their setup of their BoldTrail and looking at their smart campaigns not being active. Search alert. Every single lead should have some sort of a search alert so that when you go into your dashboard, people are actually viewing properties. And same thing with birthdays and anniversaries, and just activating you and having a proper follow-up system. And that is exactly why you do not have conversion. And to me, when I think about automation and alerts going out, these are the reason they're not being used properly. And these are the reason why your database seems to be quiet and it's not active. Because every time, before I even go to click on anything else or the contacts and start to truly look at the system itself, I can immediately look at the dashboard and start to have conversation directly that day. So leads are another reason why people think the BoldTrail doesn't work is because they think the leads need this long-term nurture, that they need to be sitting in front of the computer and doing it and more active. Yes, they need long-term nurture, not just this one-time follow-up. But remember, the system doesn't work if you don't allow it to work. And yes, the system has AI capabilities and the long-term nurture is possible, and it could do it without you sitting in front of the computer, but you need to come in here and have a look at some of these tools and on them. And the other truth that many people don't want to hear, most agents think because the BoldTrail doesn't work, is because the CRM works if you use it consistently. And I encourage you to log in every day. I encourage you to set it up. And simply, if I can leave you with having a looking at smart campaigns, and I have a ton of videos on this channel that shows you how, whether you are using the kvCORE platform or BoldTrail, the systems and tools are available for you here to helping you grow your business. And I know this feels a bit vague to you, but I want to come on here and tell you some things that a lot of people might not want to hear, because BoldTrail CRM for you might not be thinking that it's not closing you any deals because you don't have proper systems, a proper follow-up system that is built in place for conversion. And that's what this channel is all about, because I'm here to help realtors create systems, build system that's going to allow them to actually convert. Once again, my name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage. I'm an eXp Realty sponsor who's here to help you with building long-term systems, scalable agent growth, your team growth, automation, with marketing and CRM strategies. That's what it's all about. Thank you so much. Click that subscribe button so that you get connected and stay connected for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.